I am starting to get pissed off with these guys. Everywhere I go, as soon as I get outside, they follow me. And thank goodness I have a screen on the window because this is ridiculous. Like, what is it about these beetles? Like, I don't know what they want, but now they're on my screen of my window. How are these guys good luck? Like, this is getting ridiculous. I don't know what they want from me. Everyone laughs when they see me running or trying to get away from these things, but it's like, I don't know. What do you want from me?